Welcome everybody and please settle down और अपना सारा ध्यान हमें दीजिए क्योंकि अगले 1 घंटे में हम रिवील करेंगे कुछ ऐसे सीक्रेट्स जो आपको इंट्रीग करेंगे, एक्साइट करेंगे और आपका करेंगे भरपूर मनोरंजन। मैं हूं शबीर आलूवालिया, आपका होस्ट और दोस्त, and I have just one thing to say about today's evening, that it's going to be fun and lots of fun. In season of Khatron Ke Khiladi is Ashwini Yari, head of programming, Colors Television.
And good evening everyone. The venue's changed from what you're usually used to. We thought with the temperatures rising in Mumbai, we should chill out a bit at the pool side. So that's the venue for us. Khatron Ke Khiladi is back now with season 4. And yes, we have the actual original Khiladi, Akshay Kumar, back with us this time. We're going to be shooting in Cape Town sometime in this month. You'll be meeting with Akshay a little later this month. We have a special conference for him as well. The show, probably what we have integrated this time is something that is probably the first time on Indian television. We have the brand, which is Thumbs Up. We have the brand ambassador, Kumar. And we have a super hit format, Khatron Ke Khiladi, all woven together for the first time on Indian television. Sometime in May. We also have 13 gutsy women, who you will see in a short while from now.
Thumbs Up presents Khatron Ke Khiladi, Torture, coming soon.
The most memorable seasons of Bigg Boss. Now, seriously, that takes guts. So please welcome Kashmira Shah and her partner Rishikesh Gipadiyo, say the natural stuntman Sumit Suri.
Khatra ka
model and wife to Windu Dara Singh, the great Dara Singh's bahu. इस शो में लेकिन उनका पार्टनर है सोनीपत हरियाणा का असली जाट प्रमोद दहिया. प्लीज वेलकम देम. Had the original rocker girl, tattoos ki shauqeen and a cult figure for lakhs of teenagers. Bunny J, MTVJ and General Daredevil. Unki Daredevilry mein unka saath denge on Khatron Ke Khiladi season 4. The tall and good looking Delhi ka chora Amit Mehra. Johnny Money model, Ram Scorcher and Yummy Mummy all rolled into one. This is Alicia Raut and unka saath nibhayenge only on the show, of course. Please welcome the cool dude and the very fit Shashwat Seth. Contestant number 6. ये है the ideal Sasuma. Everyone wants a Sasuma just like her. No, seriously, especially our Balika Vadhu. Please welcome Smita Bansal. किचन पॉलिटिक्स का सामना तो इन्होंने बहुत खूबी से किया है, अब एक नए रूप में वो करेंगी खतरों का सामना with her partner, ex-Ranji cricket player Saurabh Roy. She can take on the fast bowlers and the spinners and hit them out of the park. India का नाम रोशन किया इन्होंने क्रिकेट के मैदान में. But can this elegant left-handed batter take on the challenges of खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 4? मिलिए अंजुम चोपड़ा से, former Indian women's cricket captain, और इस इनिंग्स में स्विंग के हिस्सेदार होंगे 49 kgs घटाने वाले biggest loser, actually biggest winner, Sandeep Sachdev. और जबान चलाने में कोई भी, अरे ठुमके लगाने को इससे सीखे और जबान चलाने में किसे भी पीछे छोड़ दे. प्लीज वेलकम संभावना सेठ विद अ पार्टनर, अमृतसर के बिजनेसमैन खालिद चौधरी.
खतरा कभी
Are you guys excited? Well, thank you. I surely am. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मुझे इस साल पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए था. Well, anyways, our next खिलाड़ी is actress and TV host Aarti Chhabria. Please welcome her and her partner, the very suave and confident businessman Dhaval Thakur.
खतरा कभी
Season 4 will see her singing a different tune. Put your hands together for the very talented singer Molly Dave. खतरों के खिलाड़ी के डुएट में उनका पार्टनर है गोवा के चिला धीरज अमोनकर.